Hello, this is Barry. Welcome to this video. This is inside my WordPress dashboard area, and in this video I'll show you how to use instabuilder 2. instabuilder 2 is a very intuitive software or plugin, WordPress plugin, that has drag and drop technology to build websites in literally minutes. You can do anything, almost anything. The sky is the limit using instabuilder 2. instabuilder 1 was very powerful. instabuilder 2 left nothing behind. Okay, so anyways, this is the thing. This is on the dashboard on the left hand side. You see the dark background and the white text. You'll find instabuilder 2 here and go to the dashboard. So we'll give a quick overview. I told you before, sky is the limit. So these are already made pages, okay, and so the basic thing is, once you create a new page, okay, there are already templates. Okay, just select one template and start editing, and you will reach to your destination. Okay, and even if you choose a template, it doesn't mean that you have to use it or it is uneditable. It is editable. Okay, you can edit it. They have just made it so that you just quickly pick and use. Now anyways, we will use some squeeze page, or let's use some hybrid launch pages. Launch page, and we want some launch page, webinar coming soon, launch page, squeeze sales page. Okay, sales page, hybrid type will cover everything. So it's a hybrid sales page. Hybrid means it contains video as well as text. So let's have a look at this one. Don't know what's inside. Okay, just choose, click choose, or you can start creating from scratch. Wow, you see it's ready. Now you see here, everything inside is clickable, and once you click, there is a gear button. If you put your cursor on it, you'll see a small pop-up showing you what's that, what it is, what you can do with it. Okay, so just a simple overview first. Say this is a logo, or this is an item, this is an element. You want to make it, you want to put it in the middle of the page, so just click it. It is in the middle of the page. Now you want it on the right side, it's on the right side. Now you can take it back to left side. If you want to delete it, just hit this red bin button and it will be deleted. If you want to copy, simply this one, and it's copied. So just let's delete the clone. And now you want to edit. No matter what you do, you cannot edit it unless and until you click the gear button. So this gear button, and on the right hand side, this box, this widget will open, and you have to choose one by one what to do or what you want to do. So there are images here, so we will not touch it. We can do it, of course, but not at the moment. Now target link type, if there is a link, if it is linking to some website, then you will click URL, and then you will put your URL here. But at the moment we don't have anything. And then caption, there if you want some image caption, if you want caption font color or something. Now once you want to hide this panel on the right hand side, just click this yellow button, hide this panel, and it's hidden. Now let's check the video part. Okay, what does this video say? There are three options here. One, the gear button, you can edit it, you can copy paste it, and you can delete it. So let's edit and have a look what happens. There are two options, YouTube video and an MP3 video. Okay, it can be hosted meaning it can be from anywhere else, and it can be YouTube, it can be Vimeo, or it can be embedded code, any type of embedded code or whatever. You can choose that whenever the page loads, the video will start. When you click autoplay, the video will start automatically. If you want, disable the controls. You see, once you when you watch YouTube videos, you'll see the controls on the players, right? But if you put disable, check this disable controls button, this checkbox, then the controls of the video player will be gone, okay, invisible. So sometimes we want to disable the controls in order to control the movement or the activities of the visitors. If we don't want them to play with the video, if we want them to watch the full video from the start to the end, then we check this. Okay, now let's say this is the headline. You see here 1 2 3 4 button. There is a gear button and there is an edit button. What is the gear button and what is the edit button? Edit button is, this is a text file and you can edit the text immediately. Okay, say here it is. You can edit the text immediately from here. And there is a gear button. This gear, this is enable text effects. So if you want a shadow, okay, so if you want a shadow or something, the shadow will, you see there is a shadow behind the text. And also if you want an animation, what is the animation? Animation, it can be any type of this text will animate. How this text will animate? Just slide. Let's do it slide. Okay. And let's save it and also publish it. Now to see the preview, we need to click this I button and you'll see the preview. You'll see an animation here. Well, the animation didn't work much. Let's try again. Nah, no animation. Didn't work that well. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try it. Drop, click, bounce in up, bounce in left. Okay, let's try bounce in left. Nah, didn't work. Well, forget it. Didn't work on this text. Forget it. We will delete all these animations. No animation. We don't want you. Get out. Okay, we will play with the animations in this button. Okay, then click and then display effect and animation, and we want to bounce in left. Okay, and then we want to save it. I'm feeling sleepy. This is very slow. We want to see animation. Please, animation. Oh no. Oh no. Please. Why this it's not showing animation? I have no idea. It usually shows nice animations, really. Okay, anyways, we want animation or not. We are going to the drag and drop technology. You want me to make the same thing here, okay? Say for an example, you want me to make the same thing as shown here. 1 2 3 4 segments, 4 images. Okay, so what I will do, I will add a section from here. See, here's a section, there is a white section, and there is a white background box. I will not do anything like that. I will add a section, simple section. So a section will be something like, okay, see, I'm trying to drop it somewhere, right? Okay, so here's the section, and the section is not page wide. The section is up to, from limit is from here to here, right? So this is just a section. I created this section to put some new items in it. All right, say for an example, you see there are columns, there are separators, so we want to create separators as well. So what we will do, I will create a line spacer, sorry, separator. Separator is here, see, columns here. So I'll place a column here, and then I'll take from here to a little bit here, and then I'll place another column here, and I'll take this column here. So as you see, there are two columns here, and then I want to add another column. Okay, no problem. Another column. Okay, so I want a text here, and I didn't like this text, so I'm going to, hey, come on, I want to edit you, but it cannot be edited. Well, very, very bad, naughty. If it was my daughter, she would say naughty, naughty, naughty baby. No, it's naughtier than naughty. I don't know why it is that naughty, but it's giving me pain, because there should be a text box where I can, let's save it and refresh the page. No, maybe it's not just happening on the browser. If it's on the browser, then we'll go for something different, some Netscape or something different. Well, it might be the problem with the browser. Yeah, okay, so this is what I was talking about. See, once you edit the text, all this text formatting tools will appear, and what I want here, I definitely oh come on, I definitely don't want it to be for heading 2. I want it to be heading 4 maybe, or even maybe a simple paragraph, and then I'll keep writing it. Hey there, let me write whatever I want. Here's my page, and I'm the king here, the leader of the nation. So whatever. So this is the story behind the story, and I want to add some image here. So how I add the images are here, you see. Okay, so there are nice image you'll find, and I want to hide it to make some space for work. And let's take this bullet. Yeah, did it. And then I want to take the same bullet here, and probably I can simply copy and paste. No, not coming up, showing up. Okay, fine, no problem. I'll paste another bullet here, and then copy, and simply take it here, copy and paste. See, copy, paste, drag and drop technology. What did I told you before? And now we want to add something new, some biggie icons. Alright, this biggie icons, guys. Okay, so let's delete these small arrows. I no longer need them. So what I want from them is just click the drag and drop button, and then some kind of fancy buttons, or some kind of fancy something. Okay, these arrows, these check marks might work a little bit, and then copy, paste, clone them, and then drag and drop here. So now if I want to copy the whole section, this is what I would do. Now I will shorten the whole area, okay, and if I want to clone the whole section, this is what I'm going to do. Now before I go and clone the whole section, let me show you something else. That I want to add a separator with text, like this one, a wide section. Okay, so let's put a wide section here. You see, the wide section is ready, and then I want to add text here, right? And the text seems to be touching the top. So what I want to put the text in center, and like benefits that you'll get benefits of whatever I'm setting. And then you make it, you can make it bold, you can make it whatever you want. Let's make it like this, and benefit. And we want this area to be, you know, a darker color. So we want to, we just click the gear button and the background color. Let's make the background color something like this, a little darker. And then the text color will change as well. Let's make the text color white. Okay, and now you see the text is nearly touching the top of this of this box. So we want to create a line separator here. Okay, just drop a line separator. This will create some space. You can control the space in between. So what you should do, line style, we don't want a line, actually a line here. So what we will make it none. So that means the line is actually there, but we are just hiding it. And then you can create, once the line is there, if the line was there, then you could change the thickness like this, and you can also select the spacing. If you select the spacing, you see new spaces are created. So we don't want anything like this. We just want a small space between the top of the box and that top of the text, and then make it none, so that this spacer hides. So it's pretty simple and it's done, you know. Now if I want to put an Optin Form, okay, I simply this is an Optin Form. I'll simply place an Optin Form here. It's done, simple. Okay, and then I want to change it. I want to optimal HTML codes, form fields, vertical, horizontal, semi-horizontal, horizontal. See the field size, small, big. These are changing, very big. And style 1, style 2, and here is style 3. Here is style 4. There are so many styles and styles. Okay, now we want the little bit darker with a little color. That's it. And then we want field border color a little yellow or blue type, and then manage fields. And this subscribe button, we will have a subscribe. Whereas the Facebook opt-in, okay, enable Facebook opt-in, you can create opt-in using Facebook. And then webinar integration, you don't want it. Optin Form button, you can change the button. Image button, you can create button. Opt-in image, pre-made images you can download. Okay, send me the video, blah blah blah. Any blah you want can be done using this software. This is an amazing software, trust me. If after all this long video you still don't trust me that it's an awesome video, awesome software, then it's really a tragedy, and we don't want any tragedy here. We want to get our work done, right? So pretty simple. See, you see, there are way too many options that you really get confused of what you're going to do with it. That's what happens to me, and I end up spending a lot of time, in fact wasting a lot of time, which is absolutely not acceptable. So in this case, see, the email, this opt-in boxes are up and the register button is down. So we don't want that. We want it like this, and maybe we don't want this at all. We want something like where is it, guys? We want something like action upload button, remove button, image button, CSS button, and then edit button. And okay, so once you, it will be like Optin Form button, and then CSS button, you can edit the button. And when the button text, you can change the button text, you can change the font size, okay, like this, and you can change the letter spacing, and you can change the text of the buttons. Oh my god, where is the button? Okay, good. And you want to make it like this, and letter spacing, let's make it 0, and or maybe 1 would be great. Okay, so, and then button text, button style. You can of course change the button style to glossy. I like glossy all the time. And then you want sorry, where is that? Optin Form, Optin button, and then you edit button, then glossary. Sorry, hide this one. Oh my. Okay, normal state color. Definitely I like a bit darker color, so it's cool. And then hover state color, I mean once we place our button on it, that is hover state. So hover state will be a little lighter like this, so it should be like that. Okay, cool. So then you go back to hover, then you want to add an icon, no issues, just click on icon, done. And if you want another icon, done. Anything you want, done. Haha. See, cool, it's cool, really cool. So we're going to add this looks nice. Okay, then before text, you want to make it after text, go ahead, make it after text. I like before text, forget it. Now round corners, you want to make it rounder, and completely round and make it circular. Won't happen, it will be oval shape maximum, so it's nice. And then round corner display effect, we want animation, and let's make it shake it daddy. And okay, so let's shake it daddy and save it, and we want to see shaking daddy. Okay, oh, it's taking ages to save. Okay, done. Let's go and have a quick look at the preview. Feeling sleepy again. It's really lazy software. See? Well, honestly and more honestly, didn't really work. Or maybe it worked, but it worked before we actually looked at it. So, you know, we can absolutely forget it. Or it's still saving, so you can give it a break. And by the way, one more thing very important here. Did you notice that this icon is not visible? Right? This icon is not visible. If not, then just remove this icon from here. Button, edit button, display effect, rounded corner, icon, no icon. Done. Okay. Cool. That's it. So now, if you want, there are some other things like you want to design. I mean, you want to make a critical or more complex design. It's very easy. You know, first of all, you need to add a section or a wide section, whatever you want. The wide section is to cover the whole area, and a simple section is I think this section is by mistake added. Okay, let's keep it. We added it by mistake, but we want to use it. So, you know, you can use it in many ways. Like, this is a wide section, right? Inside this wide section, you can add another section. So why? Because you may add several sections in one wide section, and even you can add another wide section inside. You can add another section inside a section. So you see, a section inside another section. This is cool, right? This is really cool. This gives you a lot of freedom, and freedom is what we are looking for while designing. So inside it, you can create a text. Okay, so this text might be your headline. So it might be your headline, and you want it to be sorry, you want it to be in the middle, and you want it to be bold. Now done. So now you want another text just behind it, and you want the freedom to edit it anytime without touching the header. So what you want to do, you want to copy it or clone it, okay, and then edit this one and make it heading 3 without bold, normal text. So you see, it's awesome, right? Now you want some other texts here, but you know, there will be columns, there will be separation, so you want another box here. Let's put another box here then make another section, okay, and inside it, and then in this section you want it to be separate section, and you want to have 3 columns, maybe line separator, Okay, forget it, no line separator here. Just delete it, we don't want this separator. Yes, okay, then where is that? Our section is deleted, I guess. Okay, no problem. Add a section again, and within this section you add column. So you add a column, and you want to put this column in the middle, and then you want to add another 2 texts here, right? So this is what you are looking for, and then drag and drop here. So here is the benefit. The benefit is, you see, there was one main white section. Inside there is another section. Okay, that section is separated, and you can use them, you can delete them separately, you can edit this text separately. And then there is another section inside that section that are also separated by what you call column. Look, none of this will be visible unless and until you want them to be visible, but this is a flexibility. The best thing is the flexibility and the freedom you're getting from all these options. So however you want to do, it's totally your choice, but these are one of the ways to do it. Okay, so that's it. I'm giving you this video for just to try out, testing out, and just go ahead, do some practicing before, because what I'm going to do, I will give you an example sheet, an example page from somewhere that will be kind of similar to these templates, and maybe I will tell you the template, which template to use as well. Then you can use this drag and drop technology to create a similar page. That's it. That's pretty much it. You don't have to be way too creative and waste all of your time and your days, your hours and days and weeks to build one awesome page. There is nothing called awesomeness. It's just copy and paste this way or the other. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. I guess it was not boring.